Good morning students, welcome back again in class 7 subject mathematics, our chapter first, and it was integers. Okay, so I had told about you all kinds of numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and what are integers I have told already. So integers, the combination of whole number and negative numbers are called integers. I had told number line also I have explained that how to represent integers on number line. Okay. Properties of number line also I have told. What are the properties of number line? Right side number always greater than the left hand side number, and left hand side number is always smaller than the right hand side number. And how to add integers I had told you. How many steps we will move ahead, and for addition and for subtraction how many steps we will have to move backwards. Okay, so today we will see how to subtract an integer. Look at here. So this is our number line, and we have to subtract the integer. So look at here, first example we can see. Suppose 7 minus 3. We have to subtract the 3 from 7. So how to show on number line? Where we are standing on 7. Here we are standing. So subtraction we are doing, so we will have to move towards left hand side. So how many steps we have to move back side? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. So what is our answer? Our answer is 4, positive 4 plus 4. Okay, now suppose we want to subtract 7 from 3. We have to subtract 7 from 3. So according to that, where we are standing? We are here. We are here. 3. How many steps we have to move backward? We have to move backward 7 steps. So 7 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So what is our answer? Minus 4. Minus 4. This is our answer. Understand? How to subtract integer on number line. More examples we will have to see. So look at it. Minus 1 minus 3. Okay. Now we have to subtract 3. Subtraction sign is there. We have to subtract 3 from which integer? Minus 1. हमें minus 1 में से 3 subtract करना है. Understand? So where we are standing? We are here on minus 1. Okay? And how many steps we have to go backward? Subtraction we are doing, that means we have to move backward. So how many steps back we have to move? 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. So where are we now? We are at which position? Minus 4. Minus 4. So understand how to subtract the positive integer from negative. Now again suppose minus 5 and minus 2. So what actually we are doing? We are subtracting 2. We are subtracting 2 from minus 5. हम क्या कर रहे हैं? 2 को subtract कर रहे हैं. ये subtraction का साइन है. 2 को subtract कर रहे हैं इसमें से minus 5 में से. So where we are standing now? On minus 5. We are at minus 5. And how many steps we have to move backward? 2 steps we have to move backward. So 1 and 1, 2. So where we are now? We are at minus 7. So our answer is minus 7. Understood everybody? So whenever this type of questions will appear, then how to solve with using number line like this and without using on number line. Let me explain you how to do this question without using number line. Look at here, minus 2 minus 3. Okay. Both are negative, minus sign will come and addition will happen. 2 plus 3, 5. This is shortcut way, okay, without using number line. If both are negative, minus sign will come and addition will happen. Okay. Actually, what is the process? I am observing here is minus, here is minus. होता क्या है? दोनों माइनस है तो माइनस साइन हम कॉमन ले लेते हैं. ठीक है. तो इनसाइड वॉल इज रिमेनिंग. जब भी हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं साइन चेंज हो जाता है. ये माइनस 2 प्लस का हो जाता है और ये माइनस 3 प्लस का हो जाता है. तो माइनस साइन इज देयर एंड 2 प्लस 3 5. दिस इज द एक्चुअल प्रोसेस. ओके. सो इन शॉर्टकट वी कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस. इफ बोथ आर नेगेटिव, माइनस साइन विल कम and this will add 2 plus 3 5 like this. Understand? Same answer will come. Now we have to solve one more thing. Look at here. 2 plus 7. 5 plus minus 2. 7 minus 3. 2 minus 5. Okay. Suppose minus 1. Now look at here. In this kind of question, brackets are there. Brackets are there. So how to open the bracket and what would be the impact on the sign? Let me explain. Look at here. Outside positive, inside negative. Outside positive, inside negative. Outside negative, inside negative. Outside negative, inside negative. So look at here. We will open the bracket in such a way that positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Understand? Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. And here, negative, negative, positive. Negative, negative, positive. This time we will have to open the brackets. This is the method. Again, 3 plus minus 2, 5 plus minus 6, minus 2 plus minus 3, minus 7 plus minus 4. Okay. So how to open the bracket? Look at here. Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Understand? This time we will have to open the bracket. Okay? Now let me start our exercise 1.1. Find the sum. Find the sum. Okay. Look at here. What I have told, first work is open the bracket. First work is open the bracket. So look at here. Positive, negative, negative. Positive, negative, negative. Okay. Now 3 minus 4. Okay. Remind again. On number line, what I have told. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So where we are standing? We are standing on 3. काम करेंगे 3. क्या कर रहे हैं? Subtraction. We are doing subtraction. So where we will have to move backward. How many steps? 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what answer will come? Minus 1. Understand? This is with using number line. And without using number line, look at it. 3 minus 4 means from smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number. One is positive, one is negative. Means subtraction is going on, and we are subtracting 4 from 3. Means from smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number. यानी हम छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट मीन्स नेगेटिव साइन विल कम. ओके. जो भी साइन ग्रेटर होगा, वॉट एवर साइन इज ग्रेटर, दैट वी विल हैव टू पुट. हियर इज पॉजिटिव साइन, 3 is of positive, 4 is of negative. So greater number sign will always come. So minus and subtraction will happen. 4 minus 3, 1. Understand? If one is positive, one is negative, then subtraction will happen and greater number sign will come. जो भी बड़ा होगा उसका sign आएगा. In between 3 and 4, which is the greatest number? 4, and what is the sign? Minus. We will put minus. This is the shortcut way. Understand? Otherwise, on number line you can see clearly how to solve this. So this is the method. Another part you can see. (17 plus minus 30). Okay. So first work is open the bracket. So 17 plus minus and 30. Now look at here. This is smaller number, this is bigger number. From smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number. तो छोटे में से अगर बड़ा नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो माइनस साइन आता है, ग्रेटर नंबर साइन. ठीक है. एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन विल हैपन. 30 minus 17, what will come? 30. Understand? So this time we will have to solve our first question. Understood everybody? This was our A part and this was our B part. Okay. Now let me see the E part. Minus 13 plus 14 plus minus 50. Okay. The first work is open the bracket. Okay. We have opened the bracket. Minus 30 plus 14. Now plus minus 50. Okay. Now what we have to do? Firstly we will have to write the positive number first. Which is the positive number? 14. 14 is positive. So we have to write 14. Then minus 13. Then minus 15. Understand till here? Okay. Now two ways are to solve this kind of question. दो तरीके होते हैं ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने की. First, we can directly subtract this 14 minus 13, 1 and 1 minus 50. Now from smaller number we are subtracting the bigger number. छोटे नंबर में से बड़ा subtract कर रहे हैं तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? माइनस साइन will come. So minus sign will be. And subtraction will happen. 14 minus 15 minus 1, 14. This answer. This is one method. Okay. And another method, look at here. 14 minus sign, these both are negative. So minus sign you can take common, and inside what will remain? Sign will change. 30 plus 50. Okay. So now 14 minus 28. So now smaller number minus bigger number. छोटे में से बड़ा सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. So minus sign will come. और 28 में से 14 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. What will come? 14 will come. Now you can clearly observe both answers are same. Okay. Two methods are there. First is this. Firstly subtract this by this, and with whatever answer will come, you can subtract from this. Okay. And then after second method, 40 positive number we have written same as it is, and minus sign we have taken common from these both number, and inside these both number will be added. So 13 plus 15, 28, and now 14 minus 28 means smaller number सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. 28 minus 14 means 14. Understand everybody? I hope you better understand now that how to solve the integers by opening the brackets. Understand? So this was our today's lesson, and I hope you understand nicely, and the remaining part will be considered as your homework. So you will have to solve the remaining part in your homework copy. Okay? Thank you.